Example 3. Find the product of the sum of 3x plus 4 and the sum of x squared and 6x and 10. All right, so let's begin by writing out our binomial of 3x plus 4 and multiply it by our trinomial x squared plus 6x plus 10. Let's distribute our 3x to our x squared, added to the product of 3x and 6x, added to the product of 3x and 10, added to the product of 4 and x squared, added to the product of 4 and 6x, added to the product of 4 and 10. Let's go ahead and simplify by multiplying out 3x multiplied by x squared, which gives us 3x cubed, plus 3x multiplied by 6x is 18x squared, plus 3x multiplied by 10, which is 30x, plus 4 multiplied by x squared is 4x squared, plus 4 multiplied by 6x is 24x, and 4 multiplied by 10 is 40. Let's combine our like terms. So we have 3x cubed. I don't see any other x cubed terms in there, so let's move on to x squareds. I have 18x squared plus 4x squared, so that would give me 22x squared. That takes care of that one and that one. Now let's add 30x plus 24x to get 54x. And let's add our 40. So our final expression becomes 3x cubed plus 22x squared plus 54x plus 40. Let's solve this same problem by using an area model. So on the left-hand side, we would have 3x plus our 4, and on the top we would have our trinomial of x squared plus 6x plus 10. So let's create our boxes. The product of 3x and x squared is 3x cubed. The product of 3x and 6x is 18x squared. The product of 3x and 10 is 30x. The product of 4 and x squared is 4x squared. The product of 4 and 6x is 24x. The product of 4 and 10 is 40. Let's go ahead and add our boxes. So we have 3x cubed plus 18x squared plus 30x plus 4x squared plus 24x plus 40. Let's rearrange this expression using the commutative property, putting our like terms next to one another. So we have 3x cubed plus 18x squared plus 4x squared plus 30x plus 24x plus 40. Combining like terms, we get 3x cubed plus 18x squared plus 4x squared is 22x squared plus 30x and 24x gives us 54x plus 40. So our final expression of the binomial multiplied by the trinomial is 3x cubed plus 22x squared plus 54x plus 40, which agrees with solving through the distributive property. Example 4. Find the product of the trinomial x plus y plus 1 multiplied by x squared plus 4y minus 5. So let's begin by writing the expression x plus y plus 1 multiplied by the trinomial x squared plus 4y minus 5. Let's go ahead and distribute our x to our trinomial. In other words, we have x groups of x squared plus 4y minus 5, and we have plus y groups of x squared plus 4y minus 5 plus one group of x squared plus 4y minus 5. Let's go ahead and distribute this x to the x squared. So we would have x cubed. Let's distribute the x to the 4y. So we would have plus 4xy. Let's distribute the x to the minus 5. So we'd have a negative 5x. Let's distribute y to the x squared. So we'd have x squared y. Let's distribute the y to the 4y. So we'd have plus 4y squared. Let's distribute the y to the negative 5, giving us a negative 5y. Let's distribute the 1 to the x squared. So we have a positive x squared. Let's distribute the 1 to the 4y. So we have plus 4y. Let's distribute the 1 to the negative 5. So we have a negative 5. Well, let's begin to simplify this problem by using the commutative property to rearrange our terms in descending order of exponents. So we would have our x cubed plus our x squared term plus our x squared y term minus 5x plus 4xy plus 4y squared, 5y plus 4y, and minus 5. Okay, now let's go ahead and combine any like terms. So we would have x cubed, takes care of that term, plus x squared, takes care of that term, plus x squared y, takes care of that term, minus 5x, plus 4xy, plus 4y squared, and then let's combine the terms of a negative 5y plus 4y to give us a negative y, and minus 5. So our final expression is x cubed plus x squared y minus 5x plus 4xy plus 4y squared minus y minus 5.